Our house went through major renovation. BigFoot has been fantastic.
All right, so today we are in Tampa with our client, Brian. We finished installing these beautiful windows for him. Brian, could you please tell us a little bit about your experience with BigFoot Windows and Roofing?
Yep, BigFoot has been fantastic. They replaced our huge window here, as you can see. Did a lot of work, replaced sliders, put in front doors, all windows on the house. Very happy with everything. They were very professional, met all the deadlines, and price was right where we wanted to be. They met all the needs we wanted as far as the style of the windows. I have no complaints. They were great from start to finish.
In regards to the communication and the follow-up, what was that like?
You guys were always updating us, and anytime we had any questions, you were quick to reply. We dealt with Daryl and Brady a lot throughout the process, and they were very great, always available to answer any questions we had. Even when we ran into little snags along the way, they had a solution, and nothing really deviated from the original budget that we had for the windows and doors.
Thank you. And finally, in regards to the installers, the installation process, the cleanup, what was that like?
They were very good. There was not a lot of debris or trash. They cleaned up after themselves. Our house went through major renovation from a hurricane, and I will say probably the windows and doors through BigFoot were probably the neatest out of all our contractors that we had in the house. So I do really appreciate that. They treated this like it was still my home, despite it going through all the damage it had. So I'm very grateful for that.
I thank you, Brian, for choosing us, and enjoy your new windows.
Thank you.